Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the best free movie app for Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So head over to your dashboard and you're going to go to quick settings and all settings to open the Google Play Store. It's a system app, it's inbuilt in the system. So click on apps and then click on see all apps. From there, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of this list where you see show system apps. Click on that and navigate over to the bottom, not really the bottom, but just go down this list and you find it's an alphabetical list and you can find a Google Play Store right there. Click on it, it's a system app, open it to launch. And when the app opens up, you could search for the app of choice. So you could use the search bar right here at the top and just begin to search. You could click on the voice search or use a keyboard. So I'm showing you the best free movie app on Google TV. Plex. That is the app. So just search on Plex and then click on install. Now give it a second to append and then it's going to head over to the download section. It's begun downloading. You can see it's 5%, 12% and climbing. So be patient for a while. Let this app download and you're going to see an automatic install process. So immediate download is done, you just find it installing. You need to do nothing else. You don't need to click on any install button or head over to any APK. You just downloads and installs automatically into your system. That's how Google Play Store works. And it is indeed a seamless experience. So the Plex application gets downloaded and you see the automatic install process going on. So I'll just hang on for a second. When it's done installing, you open it from here or the app library. So if you go over to the app library, you'll find the app there ready to use, or you can use the open button on the screen, which will be there after installing is done, and just open the application and start using it. So yes, in my opinion, Plex is the best. It's the best free movie app for Google TV. So there you find the application. I click on it to launch and Plex is launching up. So I could sign up for free. I could skip the sign up entirely just to show you a glimpse of the app. So the most intriguing part of the application is the ability to stream. The most intriguing part is the ability to stream live TV, the ability to stream any movie or TV show of choice. So if I help on live TV right there, it loads up and then you can see all these categories. It has drama, movies, true crime, news, sports, classics. I could just hop over to sports and you see all of this. So these are different sports channels. You could just click on it to watch. Also, you could go over to movies and TV shows right there. You could use the search bar to search for anything you want. There are different categories outlined already. Binge-worthy shows, best of the West, to Dead Wars Part 90s. You could just navigate all of this and find what you're interested in. And immediately click on it. Bam! You could start watching. Just click on it. Hop over to play. And you can start watching the movies. So that's it for this video. If you found it insightful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.